I bet you didn't know your iPhone could do this. Let's check out the coolest new features in iOS 18.4. First up, health tracking just got personal. With seamless integration with your Apple Watch, iOS 18.4 now tracks your hydration levels and sleep cycles with precision. Say hello to better health insights and personalized recommendations. Next, the revamped Messages app. Introducing Focus Mode. Customize notifications based on your activities. Whether you're studying, working, or chilling, only important messages get through. Plus, new emoji reactions make group chats more fun. And Safari? It's now a fortress, with powerful privacy upgrades that block trackers more effectively, giving you peace of mind while browsing. SharePlay is here too. Watch movies or listen to music with friends, no matter where they are. Finally, improved battery optimization means smoother performance and longer battery life. What are you waiting for? Upgrade to iOS 18.4 today and elevate your Apple experience.